I actually tried making this video before, but the I don't know if it's network or whatsoever. They say my camera was blurred and they weren't seeing me, so I had to restart it all over again. Like I said, I lost my mic, and thank God I finally got it back. All right, so let me try to share the video with a couple of friends. I don't even know why I'm saying this, but I just have to say, though the video will press and you will not even know I did something, but let me just do it. All right, guys, so today there's something I want us to do. All right, before the video actually started disturbing, I was explaining something on gold, but I don't want to talk more about gold today. Nasdaq live. Okay, I want us to trade Nasdaq, and let's see how it will go, what will happen, if it will play out or you mess us up. Let's see. All right, so today we are trading Nasdaq. We are trading Nasdaq today. So at this point, um, this is 9 a.m. in the USA. So I think we should be selling Nasdaq right now as we speak. All right, the stop loss few pips above the zone. Okay, no, Nasdaq is very volatile, so mind the risk you are taking. All right, mind the kind of risk you take. I don't even know why I was doing this without sharing my screen. All right, so I'm saying that we should sell Nasdaq where it is right now. Okay, so we are risking approximately 80 pips to make 212 pips. So what I'm telling you is be very, very cautious, because Nasdaq is very, very volatile and heavy on some brokers. So you should risk only what you can afford to lose on this trade. Okay, risk only what you can afford to lose on this trade. So now that we are selling Nasdaq, I know Nasdaq, this shit, if it has to move to the upside, it will just blow us out in less than no time. But if it has to go in our favor, then let's watch it and see how it goes. So if you're watching us for the first time, do not forget to show some love by uh, commenting. Wow, Liz, nice to have you. And also subscribing to this channel. All right, so do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you receive notifications for every video that I drop here. So normally Nasdaq already got to the place where I wanted to sell, so I wasn't in front. I was actually explaining something on gold, so I did not have this sell. So right now we can sell from where it is. Okay, we can sell from where it is and hope to make some profits. Hope to make some profits. So like I said, risk only what you can afford to lose on this trade, and let's see how far it takes us. All right, so if you are not a trader, or maybe you just got into trading and you don't know how it's done, feel free to relate with me. In the comment section, you will see some links, the link to my free Telegram channel where I share signals. Okay, and also my WhatsApp number where you can contact me to ask any questions, do whatever. So that is it. All right, so personally I'm also trying to get my trades well set up, well organized. Okay, and see how it goes. So if you're watching me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you're actually missing a lot, guys. you're missing a lot. All right, so we are selling Nasdaq. All right, if you're joining, you can still sell. We are in on a sell on Nasdaq. Okay, we are selling Nasdaq right now. So if you are joining us right now, you can sell Nasdaq. The sell just started. The sale just started. The sell on Nasdaq just started. So be smart enough to catch it. But if it goes in our favor, it's going to be great. If it doesn't, man, this is just one day amongst the many days we've had, all right? So it's no major issue. And if you're watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. All right, while we hold it straight on Nasdaq, I want us to look at other pairs. Right now, I'm in this trade, okay? So let's watch it play. I also told you guys to buy Bitcoin the other day. Let's see. Yes, this is the trade. I'm still in the Bitcoin trade I shared the other day. Like I told you, I don't actually trade Bitcoin on brokers, all right, on forex brokers, because swap would destroy me. So I've been holding this buy all the way from here. It's been consolidating around this zone, but I still strongly believe in the buy. Okay, so at this point, I'm still holding and hoping that Bitcoin gives me what I'm expecting. All right, so that's what I see on Bitcoin. Then let's also, for those who are not here in the Bitcoin trade, you can wait for a pullback and get your entries. Okay, then let's look at another pair, USD CAD. Remember, we had a powerful sell, and the next day we had a buy which stopped us out, and that was yesterday morning. It stopped us out, and see what's happening. It's doing exactly what we said it would do. So guys, that's just it. I saw this entry but did not want to drop the entry because we had some trades running, so I didn't want to over leverage or cause my community to over leverage. So guys, for those who are just joining, we are currently trading Nasdaq today. We are in on a sell. All right, we are selling Nasdaq, so it's still at the entry. In case you're interested and want to sell, and make sure you risk wisely, because Nasdaq is very volatile and can blow your account if you mess up. Can blow your account if you mess up. So let's see how it goes. Then on gold, if you notice, gold has been selling drastically for a couple of days now, and honestly, I am not seeing myself in any gold trade right now unless I see a clean confirmation. So for me, let's just go to the daily. Let's analyze together and see if we can find something, because I might be saying from my previous bias, not knowing that there is something big waiting for me on gold. All right, so I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin when it comes to the daily time frame. You see, Bitcoin is still around a strong support level. Sorry, if it's around a zone we can buy, because I think there is something we are not seeing. Okay, so at this point we realize that gold is giving us a pullback, right? And you see there's liquidity below these highs, and when you see price giving you higher highs and higher lows, it means price is creating liquidity. All right, These are stops. There are stop losses below the zones. These are where people put their stop losses, which means price might want to come all the way down because it has taken out the first low. I think it will take out the second low doing something like this. So this sell might still continue all the way to this zone before we continue the buys. All right. So if we have to do something on gold, I think will be 30 pips. You see 30 pips here is 300 because gold is damn volatile. All right. So you might want to place your stop loss few pips below this order block, reducing your risk. Okay, reducing your risk and targeting these highs, the previous highs of Bitcoin. All right, of gold. I love Bitcoin so much. I don't know why I've been over talking about Bitcoin today. So we clear off this our major support zone, which has now become a resistance because it has been broken to the downside. And we take out this our zone. All right. So this is exactly what I'm seeing on gold. Clean change of character. Then our zone, that's where we can get in aggressive and make sure we manage our risk properly. All right. So these are my thoughts or my views on gold. Let me just take a screenshot of it and share with my community. So in case you're not yet part of my community and you're interested and want to be part of us, where I share free signals and a lot more for free, like everything is free, right? You can click on the links below to join my free community. All right. So if this is your first time watching me, you can as well comment your country. All right. Tell me where you're watching me from. So you can tell me where you're watching me from in the comment section. Let me know the people who are here with me. All right. So let's go back to our running trade to see if it's going against us or it's going in our favor. We are still at the entry. All right. We are still at the entry. So let's keep watching. There's Nasdaq, guys. Nasdaq is a very volatile pair. And don't forget, it's like we had news today. Let me see. Oh, the news has passed, I think. Just passed. Let me just check here. I dropped it here in the morning. All right. Yeah. It's passed already. Okay. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Now let's look for another pair. We're done with gold. Now let's look at USD JPY. USD JPY is buying right now. Do I really trust this buy? I gave a sell yesterday and we made so much profit. Let me see how many pips we made. Made a clean 1 into 2.5, giving us approximately 93 pips. So those who did not close the trades are back at their entry. So as of now, if you ask me, I'll say let's just be patient with UJ to see what it was preparing, but it still looks very bearish. It looks very bearish. From the hourly, you see that this is a strong zone. So if you believe in this sell, you can still sell, but it's risky at this point. All right, it's risky at this point. So let's just watch and see if we'll see any confirmation, any sell confirmation before we continue the sales. Let me just go down to the 30 minutes to see what's pulling the market up. So guys, I think we'll be selling USD JPY, but I'm not telling you to over leverage, right? This is a trade I shared yesterday. It came all the way down here, came back to these highs. Personally, I took out partials and my take profit was somewhere around here. My stop loss was somewhere around here. So I've been stopped out in profits. And right now, um, it's pulling back. Let's just watch if we have an engulfing candle on 5 minutes. We get in. All right, we get in. Let's also watch and see if there's a zone calling price, because price doesn't just move for nothing. There must be something pulling price up or down. And we, all right, now that we have our views on USD JPY, we are still very bearish on USD JPY. All right, so I'm still looking for a sell. And what else are we looking for? We should go down to check. I will not analyze GBP AUD today. I'd rather analyze GBP USD because we have a trade on GBP USD already that I shared in the morning in the community. So, like I said, if you're not a part of the community, the links are in the description, so you can join my free community. Everything is free, right? I don't task anybody any money for anything, all right? So we are currently in profits. How many pips? Let me see. 29 pips in profits. We came down all the way to 35 pips, but let's just let the trade run, let's just let the trade run. So this is it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, especially those who are watching us for the first time. I noticed that a whole lot of people watch us, but they don't end up subscribing. So please subscribe, guys. Let's grow. As for USD CAD, I think we should be buying USD CAD, okay? We should be buying USD CAD. This is a buy I had on USD CAD, which is still very, 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 very valid, okay? It's a buy I had on USD CAD. Clean. It's still moving on perfectly well. So you gotta be smart, okay? Take advantage of sessions like this. You learn a lot from me, okay? I actually learned a lot too from others. There were times when I was watching Jeffrey Benson, I was watching Abby, to watch them trade so that I can learn something. I watched even Swaggy C, Q Banks, to watch them trade, Alex G, just to see them do something so that I can learn from it, all right? I can maybe make my emotions get stronger. I can understand a little more about trading. So guys, stay tuned. Then on GBP JPY, there's this trade I missed on Monday, and price has not given me an opportunity to get it back. So I'm just watching, all right? I missed this trade on GBP JPY, so I'm just watching to see if it will go back, but I'm not expecting it to go back, so I'm just watching. So these are some of the trades we've been catching, the losses we've been taking, right? So I said on USD JPY, we should be looking for a sell, right? USD JPY, we are looking for a sell because we are still very, very bearish. And gold, we should be looking for a buy, but not at this point, okay? Not at this point. So I want us to watch NASDAQ, all right? Because that's the pair we are trading today. I want us to watch NASDAQ. That's the pair we'll be trading today. So let's stay smart and keep building. So we are currently in drawdown on NASDAQ. But it's not big. Let's just watch it play out. So guys, where are you streaming from? Where are you watching me from? Just drop it in the comment section. massive drawdown right now. Not massive, good drawdown. Okay, so we get wrong if these last highs are taken out. Well, let me show you something. All right. Let's see if we got in too early. Well, well, we are in, and let's see what plays out. So, if you're a trader, let me know in the comment section you're a trader. If you are a beginner who has never traded before, let me know in the comment section. And also feel free to ask your questions related to forex trading. And if you have a pair that you are expecting something on, also let me know so we can analyze it together. So let's go. So are you guys also into cryptocurrency? Because I trade crypto as well. I even had a short video right now on some amazing stuff related to crypto. Those buyers are strong. Let's see them. Let's see how far they go. So for those who are watching us, who are just joining us, we are currently trading NASDAQ, all right? We're trading NASDAQ. So we are expecting a quick sell. We got this from the hourly perspective. So let's just watch it play out. You know, there are always two things on every trade. It's either SL or TP. So you got to be ready before getting in. And also, you have to trust what you're doing. That gold, I think it will still drop from my point of view. So guys, Nasdaq is doing crazy. Let's see how far it goes. If it's gonna bless the day or mess the day. So there is injection of funds right now into the Nasdaq market because the US or the New York exchange is open right now. That's why I see some volatility on Nasdaq. Okay, that's why I told you to risk only what you can afford to lose because this pair is a very, very volatile pair. If you're not strong enough, it will mess up with your emotions, it will blow your account and send you back to the village. Okay. So as we speak right now, Nasdaq has been trying to give us some high blood pressure, going up and down, up and down. Let's watch it. I still strongly believe in the bias that it's gonna sell. All right. I do this always. Hi, Alphonse, BBA. What's up, man? Nice to have you here. Thanks for joining my live stream. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching me for the first time. And if you're a trader and you have a pair that you want us to analyze, let me know. We are currently trading NASDAQ as we speak. We're in a trade on NASDAQ. And to be honest, we've been in it for a couple of minutes and we are hoping that it works well. Wow. Chinjuji. No proper display. Oh my God. I don't know. Is it my camera? Because from my end, I think everything is cool. I'm just trying to make sure everything is, I don't know. Just let me know, please. Okay, Afongs. My number is in the description section. So click on the description, you'll see my contact. Let me just write it on the screen. I don't know. Hope you can see my screen, Afongs. If you can see my screen, let me know because Mr. I don't know, Chinju G, Chintu G is telling me it's not clear. So let me write my number on the screen. If you can see it, you let me know, please. Oh, all right. So thank God you can see. So if you can see properly, then this is my WhatsApp number, +237 651 899 562. You can reach out. I'm always available and active. I'll help you on that. All right. I have a free community. The links are also in the description section. You can join my free community. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. All right. So we are currently trading Nasdaq. Let's see how it goes. It's moving on perfectly well as planned. I was expecting this move. That's why I told you guys to make sure you have enough funds to back you up, and also you should risk only what you can afford to lose. You said you can see. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I just don't know. I did not hear that. It means I've been wasting time here all along. Okay, no problem. Take the WhatsApp number and write me on WhatsApp, all right? 651 899 562 +237 651 899 562. All right, I just noticed that today the market, the I don't know if it's YouTube or what, or my camera or my network. I don't know what's the cause, but I've moved, so I will definitely be forced to stop the live at this point. And our trades are doing perfectly well. Nasdaq is dropping as planned. So, guys, see you tomorrow, still on this live stream. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because that's the only way you can support me and also show some love by liking the videos. All right, catch you.